Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, slowly we're starting to see some improving conditions. We had a little bit of freezing drizzle, especially along the lakeshore, but temperatures are dropping below freezing, so it's good that we're starting to see those snow flurries and areas of freezing drizzle taper off because we're getting cold enough for that to really set a glaze. One thing I want to mention, winds are starting to kick up. You can see they're out of the southeast at about 5 miles per hour. So tomorrow we're going to have faster winds. So even though it's going to be technically just a touch warmer, the wind is going to make it feel just as cold as we were today. Here's a look at visibility. Now, when we talk about places seeing freezing drizzle or snow, a good indicator of what's making it to the ground or who's seeing it the worst is visibility. So if we look, spots that have the lowest visibility are probably seeing the most action at the surface right now. Consistently, that's been Fremont, stretching down through Muskegon and the Holland area. And then Kalamazoo and Sturgis have also been reporting some low visibilities. Although I've been watching these numbers for the past 2 hours, and they have been steadily improving. So overnight tonight, your futurecast hints at the fact that we could still see just a little bit of that snow or freezing drizzle coming around, especially along the lakeshore. But then as we go overnight tonight, mainly just mostly cloudy skies. And as we get to about 6-7 a.m. tomorrow, I'll be back in on daybreak. It's counties north of I-96 that have the best chance of seeing those slick roads return. Then as we work through your Sunday, most of us just stay mostly cloudy, and we could see a few flurries or two, but your temperature should jump up to around 37. So starting Sunday afternoon and stretching through about Tuesday, we're going to see that big push of warmer air. So if you're traveling on Sunday, you can start to see the hints of that warmer air, especially to the south. If you're heading outside to Chicago, probably going to be dealing with rain, but north to Traverse City or over towards Detroit, you should be fine. Monday, no matter where you go, you're probably going to run into rain, especially if you leave late in the day. So that's your travel forecast, and here's why. You can see we have a big area of cloudiness, more activity on its way. We have a pretty active pattern that's going to start to kick into gear. And temperatures are going to start to warm from the southwest and push to the northeast. We can actually already see that. Our cloudless temperatures are in the northeast, and our warmest air right now is to the southwest. So 8-day forecast shows that warming trend jumping up to about 42 for Monday, 45 for Tuesday. Plan on rain on Tuesday. Monday, it's going to be late in the day. And then that transition from rain to snow is going to happen throughout the day on Christmas Eve. But I'm betting that it's going to be right after dark that we start to see rain switch to snow. So by the time we get to Christmas morning, a lot of kids are going to be waking up and seeing that transition from green lawns to hopefully a dusting, 1 or 2 inches on the ground. Speaking of Christmas, stick around. We have a few really fantastic stories coming up in just 2 minutes about what the community is doing for others in this time of the holidays.